In the world of project management, efficient work intake is often the first and most critical step to success. If requests come in haphazardly via email, chat messages, or even sticky notes, vital information can be missed, tasks can be misprioritized, and projects can start on the wrong foot. This is where the power of structured forms comes into play, and Wrike, as a comprehensive work management platform, offers robust capabilities for creating them. As a project management expert, I can tell you that Wrike's request forms are a game changer for standardizing your work intake process. They are designed to ensure that you get all the necessary information up front, no matter who is making the request, whether they are an internal team member or an external client. This not only saves project managers immense time by eliminating the back and forth for missing details, but also improves the overall efficiency and clarity of work initiation. Let's dive into how to make a form in Wrike, step by step, and explore best practices to maximize their utility. Understanding Wrike request forms. More than just a survey. Before we get into the how-to, it's important to grasp what Wrike's forms are and why they're so powerful. They're not just simple surveys. They are dynamic intake mechanisms that can automatically trigger actions within Wrike. When someone fills out and submits a form, Wrike can automatically create a new task or project, populate fields within that task/project with the information from the form, assign the task/project to specific individuals or teams, set due dates or importance levels, initiate specific workflows, or even launch entire project blueprints, templates. This automation is what elevates Wrike's forms from mere data collection tools to essential components of a streamlined project intake process. Step by step, how to make a form in Wrike. Creating a form in Wrike is an intuitive process, typically handled by account or space administrators due to the impact forms have on work creation and routing. Step 1. Navigate to the right place. First, you need to be in the correct section of Wrike. Forms can be created at two levels. Space level. If the form is specific to a particular department or team's workflow, e.g., a marketing request form for the marketing space, go to the specific space where you want to create the form. Click the gear icon, Settings, next to the space name. Select Request Forms. Account level. For forms that apply across your entire organization, e.g., a general IT support request. Click your profile icon in the top left corner of your Wrike workspace. Select Settings. In the left sidebar, navigate to Account Management, and then Request Forms. Step 2. Start a new form. Once in the Request Forms section, if it's your first form in that space/account, click Create a Request Form. If forms already exist, click the plus form or plus new form button. Step 3. Define basic form information. You'll be prompted to enter essential details for your form. Form title. Give your form a clear, descriptive name, e.g., website content request, new employee onboarding request, creative brief. Description. Optional but recommended, add helper text to explain the form's purpose or guide users on when to use it. Response settings. This is where the magic happens. What should the form create? Choose whether a submission will create a new task, project, or even replicate an item from a pre-built blueprint, template. This is incredibly powerful for standardizing recurring work. Where should it go? Select the folder, project, or space where the newly created tasks/projects should be placed. This ensures work lands in the right location automatically. Who should it be assigned to? Designate a default assignee or group responsible for handling submissions from this form. Optional. Status and approvals. You can set a default status for the created item or even trigger an approval process automatically. Optional. Prefix. Add a prefix to task/project titles created by the form for easy identification. Step 4. Design your form questions, custom inputs. This is where you gather the necessary information from the requester. Click plus Add Question and choose from various question types. Single line text, 4 short answers, e.g., request title. Paragraph, 4 longer, descriptive answers, e.g., detailed description of request. Single answer, Drop down 4, selecting one option from a predefined list, e.g., priority level, high, medium, low, department, marketing, sales/IT. Multiple answers. Checkboxes 4, selecting multiple options, e.g., required assets, images, video, text. Date. 4, selecting a specific date, e.g., desired due date, event date. Attachment. To allow users to upload files, e.g., reference document, draft copy. Importance. Allows users to set the importance of the task, if creating a task. Assignee. Allows the requester to choose an assignee from your Wrike users. Number, currency, percentage. For numerical inputs. Best practices for questions. Be specific and concise. Ask clear, unambiguous questions. Use helper text. Add small explanatory notes under questions if needed. Mark required questions. Ensure critical information is always provided. Leverage conditional logic. This is a fantastic feature. You can set up your form so that certain questions only appear based on a user's previous answer. For example, if they select Website Update from a drop-down, a new section of questions about website pages or content types might appear. This makes forms dynamic and user-friendly, as they only see relevant questions. Map responses to custom fields. For deeper data insights, you can map answers from form questions directly to Wrike's custom fields within the created task or project. This ensures consistency in data collection and makes reporting much easier. Step 5. Configure sharing and publishing. Who can see the form? Decide if the form is for everyone in your Wrike account, specific users/groups, or nobody, if you plan to use a public link. Public link, external users if you need people outside your Wrike account, e.g., clients, external partners, to submit requests. Enable the public link option. Wrike will generate a unique URL you can share. You can also embed these forms on your website. Notifications and CAPTCHA. You can set up email notifications for new submissions and add a CAPTCHA for public forms to prevent spam. Step 6. Publish or save. Click Publish to make your form live and accessible to your designated users. Click Save to save it as a draft if you're not ready to publish. Best practices for project managers. Standardize everything. Use forms for all repeatable intake processes, not just project requests, but also bug reports, content requests, support tickets, vacation requests, change requests, etc.